Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in the last video, we have successfully created a virtual machine or VM. Okay. In this video, I will show you if you have to delete the VM, if you have to deallocate the VM from Azure, how you can do that. Okay. So I'm going to log in here to portal.azure.com. Okay. In same way, you need to log in to portal.azure.com using your credential. As I have already logged in and I click to keep logging yes, so by default it is getting logged in. Okay, so here I have logged in. Okay, so now again you have to go to portal menu and virtual machines, or if you want you can select search here virtual machine. Okay, virtual machine, and click to virtual machine. This virtual machines console will be opened, and here you will see your virtual machine. Okay, so I have one virtual machines here which we have created in the last video. Okay, that is IT5R VM123. Okay, and you can see this is running. So to delete any virtual machine, first you need to shut down the VM. You need to stop the VM and then you can delete it. Okay, so you can click here on this three dotted menu. Okay, and you need to click to stop. Okay, let's click to stop. Do you want to stop all the selected virtual machines? Click to yes, as we have only one machine. Okay, and we have selected even only one machine also. So you can see here it was saying like executing. Still it is showing here running, but let's wait for a few seconds more. Let's see if we'll get any notification here like machine is stopped, or we can just refresh this just to see. Yes, you can see here now machine has been stopped. Okay, now you can select, or you can click to three dotted point here and click to delete. Okay, here you can see now we are getting the execution stop command. So there was few seconds of delay. Okay, means machine was successfully stopped. So now we can delete it, and here you need to, just for the confirmation, you need to enter delete like confirmation. Okay, delete notes, right, or comment here. Here you can see enter delete to confirm deletion. Okay, so in same way you need to put here delete and click to delete, and again click to delete. Succeeded 0, failed 0, cancel 0. Execution delete command on one selected items. Okay, it is in progress. Let's wait for a few seconds. See, executed delete, executed deleted sorry, delete command executed. Now you can see here no virtual machines to display. So in this way you can delete any virtual machines which we have created in Azure. Okay, so guys, I think this is clear to you how you can delete virtual machines from Azure. Okay, I'll request you to for such more informative videos, please subscribe to IT Parivar and click on bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. If really helpful, like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.